Okay, so question 4 says well, let's just get to the bottom and see what they're asking for. What is the required rate of return? So we know we're going to use the required rate of return formula. So we're given the risk-free rate, 2.5. It says investors expect inflation to be 3.5%. We're given the risk-free premium, 5.5, and we're given beta. So we have everything that we need in order to calculate the required return. There's one caveat here. We simply have to add the rate of inflation. So for this problem, we are going to use our formula here. Let's get rid of this. Required return equals the risk-free return plus the market risk premium times the beta, right? So the only caveat is we just simply add the future inflation rate. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to enter our risk-free rate, 2.5. I'm not going to make that a percentage. Our market risk premium, 5.5%. And beta, 1.4. So right here, I'm simply going to just add our expected inflation, which is 3.5. I'm just going to set that to make that a formula. So we have these two together, total 6. 2.5, 3.5, 6, right? So now in order to calculate our required return per our equation, we multiply market risk premium times beta, and we add our risk-free rate, which in this case includes future inflation. We're given the required return of 13.7. So answer choice E would be what we want to select.